Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Like. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. First you have to register your account. Welcome to Paid Diamond, most trusted crypto investment platform. Here you can write some details like username, email address, mobile number, password. Again, write your password for confirmation and then click on register. By following this method, you have to register your account. Now let's start the review. A platform for cryptocurrency investment and innovation. Paydia is an innovative investment platform that offers diverse investment opportunities in the global cryptocurrency market and provides users with a unique profit model. This platform focuses on maximizing the potential of the cryptocurrency market by efficiently utilizing investors' funds and generating profits for both investors and businesses. Next, we have their investment plan. There are lots of investment plan. You can also check it out. Paydia offers a variety of investment plans tailored to different capital sizes, providing the opportunity to earn daily returns for a lifetime. Paydia offer a variety of investment plans tailored to different capital sizes, providing the opportunity to earn daily returns for a lifetime. Investors can choose a plan that align with their financial situation and goal to enjoy stable and consistent profit. Here you can see their all investing plans right here. Next we have their exciting core feature. Paydia aim to empower users to achieve financial freedom by harnessing the limitless potential of the cryptocurrency market. In particular, we provide long-term trust and scalability in investors through our unique achievements in financial transaction and initial investment in establishing exchange funding-based investment model. Paydia operates using a funding-based investment model where funds from users are pooled to execute various investment strategies within the cryptocurrency market. The platform doesn't just hold investors' funds, it actively manages them in the following ways: transparency and reliability. Transparency in financial management is a core value at Paydia. We openly disclose the flow of investment fund and the profit distribution process, providing regular reports to keep investors informed. Stable profit distribution. Paydia delivers stable return through professional risk management and profit-driven algorithms with yield varying based on platform performance. Next, we have cryptocurrency arbitrage. Paid Diamond leverages price differences across global cryptocurrency exchanges to generate high return with low risk. Arbitrage is one of the key investment strategies that provide a stable profit regardless of market volatility. Referral system, unilevel structure. Paydia provide investment opportunity and a unilevel compensation plan, offering up to 3 levels of referral bonuses from your referral earning. Cryptocurrency trading. Maximize profit even in volatile market through advanced algorithm and expert analysis. AI-based analysis leverage machine learning to predict market trends. Risk management ensure assets protection and stable return with robust risk management. Expert team. An expert team of traders and analytics monitor the market 24/7 to devise strategies. They have amazing and exciting features. Profit calculator. You must know the calculation before investing in any plan so you never make mistake. Check the calculator and you will get as our calculator says. You have to select your plan right here which you want to select and invest on it. Next we have Paydia investment process. Get involved in our platform and invest. We will utilize your money and give your profit in your wallet automatically. You can also check this tab, sign up and deposit, invest to plan and get profit. Next, we have their updates. You will get each update about our system and the world market in this area. Keep checking our latest update to be in touch. Here you can see their latest update. This is a fabulous project. Next, we have Get Started Today with Us. This is a revolutionary money making platform. Invest for future in a stable platform and make fast money. Not only we guarantee the fastest and the most exciting return on your investment, but we also guarantee the security of your investment. Next, we have their team members. You can also see their team members are top investors. Here are the investor leader who have made the maximum investment with our system. You can also check it out, all the details right here. Next, we have the frequently asked question. We answer some of your frequently asked questions regarding our platform. If you have a query that is not answered here, please contact us. You can also read the all frequently asked question like when can I deposit from my investment account. Deposit and withdraw are available for at any time. Be sure that your funds are not used in any ongoing trade before the withdrawal. The available amount is shown in your dashboard on the main page of investing platform. Like this, you can read further more frequently asked questions like how do I check my account balance? I forgot my password. What should I do? How will I know that the withdrawal has been successful? And how much can I withdraw? If you have any other question, you will contact them, they will answer. This is a fabulous project. You can also read their privacy policy and their terms and services right here. And you must join their social platforms like their Facebook page, their Twitter account, and furthermore, this is an outstanding project. You can also change your language right here which you want. This is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video, but before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about the amazing project. So do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.